Hi everyone, this is Amy. Oh, and this is Cece. I don't know if you saw her just leap up here. Cece, what are you doing? That was like right on cue. I'm not turning on the water. She wants me to turn the sink on so she can drink out of it. Cece, mommy's gotta do an unboxing. Anyway, welcome to my channel. Cece is probably gonna be hanging around. I have this box from Misfits. This is the heaviest box I've ever gotten from Misfits. I don't even know how I managed to get it into the house. It's that heavy. I have another box over there. Don't know if you can see it. I'm not sure if that's in frame. There's another box over there. That one is super light. I feel like they overloaded one and underloaded the other. Cece, should we get this box open? No one can see you. Why don't you say hello? Oh, stop. Did you hear it? This is what she does. Cece, show everybody how nice you are. You're nice. Look at this tiny little head. Look at that tiny head. That's not a sound effect. That's actually her. She's actually nicer than she sounds. Okay, we're gonna get the box open and find out what's inside. They're back to using this flimsy stuff. I noticed some of you in the Friends of Misfits Market group on Facebook have mentioned with the warmer weather, they should probably be using Climacell. My guess would be that they ran out of it because they used it over the winter when they didn't need it. I don't know. Supply chain maybe? Misfits, let us know. So we have an ice pack and we have the useless piece of cardboard. Look at this. How is that doing anything? What is it supposed to do? Oh, and the ice pack's slimy. I got some pitas because I'm planning on having some falafels. These do not have the best ingredients. Whole wheat flour, water, wheat flour, which I guess is different than whole wheat flour, yeast, canola oil, not expeller pressed, just regular canola oil, sea salt, sugar in your bread, organic enzymes, and that's it. Not the best. Then we have some carrots. These are kind of on the small side, but they're rainbow carrots. Some spinach. This looks good. This is just the loose organic spinach. Oh, forgot to tell you. At the end of this, I'm gonna go over my receipt with you so you know what everything in here cost me. And all the vegetables are organic. At least they're supposed to be. We'll double check that too. And then we've got some sweet kale salad mix. This is really good. If you haven't tried this, give it a try. It's organic. And some portobello mushroom caps. This is sort of a hidden Mickey. It's not as cool as that one I got that other time, but it's sort of a hidden Mickey. It's more like, actually, what does it look like? It looks like some cartoon character, I can't remember. But it does look like something. And then we've got some organic cherry tomatoes. These are a variety of colors. You can see here. This is a very smashed up looking melon. It looks like it's been through some sort of war, which is probably why it wound up in Misfits. Probably tastes fine. This is an organic honeydew melon. I don't know why I blanked out on that. This is what happens when you get old, I'm telling you. And don't tell me I'm not old. I'm not young. These are probably the best zucchinis that I have ever gotten from Misfits. These are beautiful. They are a nice size. They're not nicked up. They're not rotten. Good job, Misfits. Good job. Some scallions. These look good. These actually look really good for Misfit scallions. Wow. Look at the size of this celery. This is ginormous. That's unusual. We usually get these puny little celeries. That's good. Oh, and there's more. Another celery stalk. And some lemons. This is 2 pounds of lemons. And there's 1, 2, 3. Ooh, there's a rotten one. I feel it. Oh yeah, look. That's a rotten lemon. So there's one rotten one. I'm gonna have to remember to tell Misfits about that. There were supposed to be 5 lemons in a 2-pound bag, I guess. And one of them, not so good. Some ginger. This is smaller than the ginger we've gotten in the past. Some limes. These look good. 2 avocados because I had ordered some sweet peppers and I was gonna make that fajita style chicken that we've talked about before with guacamole. But apparently they didn't have the peppers. I got an email about that. So I guess I can't do what I wanted to do, but you know what? That happens with Misfits sometimes. These are small. I knew they were gonna be small. Then we've got some nectarines, and I'm so happy to be able to get nectarines again. 2, 4, 6, there's 8 nectarines in here. Organic nectarines. There's another lime, so that's 4 limes, and these are small. 2 cans of organic chickpeas. With the falafel, I'm gonna make hummus. I need the chickpeas because I make that from scratch. And then we've got a whole bunch of the Fever Treat ginger beer, the light ginger beer. I'll open one of these so you guys can see, but I know you don't want me to be opening all of them. It takes so long. Leave me a comment if you actually want to see me unwrap each one. I'm guessing you don't. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's supposed to be 8 of these. There are 8 of them. Oh, I got some of the Sir Kensington's fry sauce. It's a honey mustard sauce. They say it goes good on French fries. But I do like Sir Kensington's, even though it's not organic. I think I got it because it wasn't very expensive. So we have an ice pack in the cold pack. And we've got a ton of yogurt that is under the ice pack. That makes sense. I love this yogurt. This one is attached. These 2 are not because of the way they pack this. There's an elastic on this one, but oh my goodness, this is insane. They're letting you get more of these now though, so I got a ton. I ordered eggs, so I'm not seeing that. Oh, that's gonna go. There are 20 yogurts. This is the organic Knorr probiotic yogurt. And I love this stuff. It's just the plain yogurt. It's not flavored. I prefer not to have flavored yogurt. And there's another ice pack in here, guys. So that's 3 ice packs in here. I was supposed to get eggs. I don't see them in here. I'm hoping they'll be in something else. By something else, I mean the next box. So let's get that next box. This one's a lot lighter. I guess they have another cold pack in here though. So happy to get all the yogurt. Another ice pack. It's a little soupy. And another useless piece of cardboard. If they used better insulation and they put the ice packs at the bottom of the box, we would have a much better experience. I got some of Colin's favorite Dave's Killer Classic English muffins and some broccolini. Yay, they had broccolini. A very large cucumber. A summer squash. This also appears to be in very good shape. Ooh, the French green beans. These are in good shape. A beefsteak tomato. Just one. We're gonna have to check that because I don't know that I ordered one, but we'll see. Maybe I did. We have some romaine. This is beautiful. Very, very nice and green romaine. There's so much stuff. We got some red potatoes so I can make potato salad. I'll put those in my potato box. Oh, so I did get more than one beefsteak tomato. I knew it. So this is the other one. So we have 2. I don't know why they used 2 different. I mean, that's a little wasteful. Oh well. Here's the other summer squash under there. We have a second cold pack. I've never seen them do that. Usually they put, everything in one cold pack. And they put the ice pack on top of the eggs. That makes sense. And here we have our eggs on the bottom of the box because, that's where everybody puts eggs, isn't it? These are good for a month, as long as they're not cracked. We'll see. Oh, they're good. There's nothing wrong. Can you see that? Good. And another egg. And these are organic eggs. Why is that so hard to say? These are organic eggs. That's a tongue twister. And these are good too, nothing wrong. And then we've got a quart of whole organic milk. This is ultra pasteurized. It's not the best for you. 1 onion, another onion, red onions, 2 red onions. And that is all that's in this box aside from 1 more ice pack. Let's go over that receipt. Actually, let me show you what this looks like too, because there's just a lot of stuff here. This is the ginger beer and the yogurt, the potatoes, the pitas, the nectarines, some more of the yogurt. And then we've got all this stuff in the sink, all these vegetables. And then over here we have the eggs, the English muffins, the milk, and the fry sauce. Let's get that receipt. Oh, and if you want to give Misfits a try, there's a link in the description down below where you can do that. Look in the description and click through that link. The English muffins were $4.99. The whole milk was $2.49. That's a good deal. The eggs were 2 dozen eggs for $5.98, and that's for organic free-range eggs. Excellent value there. The cucumber was an English cucumber. That's organic, $1.99. The organic baby broccoli, or what I call broccolini, that was $3.49. The green beans, $4.29. That's for a full pound of organic French green beans. The haricot vert. The romaine hearts were $4.29. The summer squash, $2.49. The tomatoes were $2.29. The beefsteak tomatoes. The sweet pepper medley I didn't get, so that's been refunded. That was $3.59. The red potatoes were 3 pounds for $4.19. That's an excellent value. The red onions were 2 for $2.69. I feel like that's a little bit high. The pitas were $3.29. That's for 12 ounces. The 2 cans of chickpeas were $3.58. The ginger beer was 8 for $5.98. That's a good deal. Sweet kale organic chopped salad kit was $4.49. The yogurt was 10 for $39.98. Well, 20, because they count them in twos. So 20 for $38.98. Each one is $1.94. That's probably a little bit high, but it's nice that it's delivered. Sir Kensington's honey mustard fry sauce was $2.99. The honeydew melon was $5.49. That's a little high. Organic lemons were 2 pounds for $4.29. There was a rotten one, and I'm going to report that. The limes, or small limes, were 4 for $1.99. The nectarines were $4.99 for 2 pounds. That's a good deal. Small avocados were $2.99. The zucchini was 2 for $2.29. The celery was 1 for $2.29. The scallions were $1.39. The heirloom cherry tomatoes were $3.99. The organic flat leaf spinach was $1.99. The rainbow carrots were $2.39. The ginger was 99 cents. Honestly, it's on the high side. In the past, I paid 69 or 79 cents from Misfits, and I've gotten a heck of a lot more than I got today. The organic portobello mushroom caps were $3.29. So my total, before I got the credit on the lemons, which I have to report now, was $1. I wish it was $1. It was $141.37. Shipping was $6.99. And the total was $148.38. And then I did get a refund of $3.59 on the peppers. So my grand total was $144.77. What do you think? Was this worth what I paid? Do you think I got a good value? Leave me a comment down below and let me know. Also, let me know what your experience has been with Misfits. And remember, if you haven't tried them yet, there is that link in the description. You can click through that and give Misfits a try. If you like this video, please give it a like and share it with somebody else that maybe wants to save some money on their organic groceries. Just post it to your social media too. I post videos every week that can help you with your fitness, nutrition, and your figure skating. So be sure to subscribe and ring that bell so that you never miss a video. This is Aimée. Happy organic eating. I will see you real soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.